Hi everybody, it's Catalina and today I'm going to share this sardine dip recipe. I call this the recipe that will make you love sardines. You just need a handful of ingredients that you probably already have in your house and about 5 minutes, that's all it takes. It is a very nutritious, high protein dip and an amazing source of omega-3. One of my favorite nutrients to lower inflammation in the body, give you really healthy and soft skin, really good for your brain, for your joints, for overall health. It keeps really well in the fridge. It's tasty. You're going to love it. Let's get started. This small tin of sardines. These are in water. Sometimes I buy them in olive oil. The only thing I like to avoid is sunflower oil. Once they're all here, I'm going to mash them really well. There are two options when it comes to making this dip really creamy. One of them is cream cheese. You can add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, or I like to have a balance of yogurt and cream cheese. I'm gonna take 1 generous teaspoon of cream cheese and 1 very generous teaspoon of Greek yogurt. Both of these are full fat. Salt and pepper. I'm going to use the juice of half of the lemon, and I'm also going to add lemon zest. Some finely chopped parsley here, so this is important to give this a lot of flavor. This is optional. I do love some dried chili seeds. I'm going to add just a few because my husband doesn't like very spicy foods, so just a little bit of those. I'm going to mix this until it has the texture of a smooth dip. So here it is. You can see it took less than 5 minutes to make this. I'm going to serve it with some little vegetables and show you how I like to eat it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please let me know if you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.